Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all South India student. Hope so you are doing good. I am also well. Okay, so this is related to my upcoming batches for May, November 2021 exclusively for South India student in 100% English. So guys, you know that from last 2-3 years, many students requested that sir, you should provide the lecture in the English because everyone in the South India also, they are following our book that is Compact and Compiler. From last 2 years, I am also taking the fast track batch in the KS Academy in the Chennai. But a student requested that, sir, you should start the regular batch for the South India student. So guys, this is the first time I am going to launch the regular batch for the South India student, and that will be in the 100% English. So this video is related to the May and November 2021 regular batch. So guys, this is the first time I am going to give you the regular batch in the English, and this batch is going to start from the 14th July 2020, and this batch is applicable for May and November 2021 student. For your examination, FinanceSec 2020 is applicable, so whatever amendment made by FinanceSec 2020 and whatever notification circular applicable for your examination, that will be going to cover in this particular batch. Okay. So this batch will be the live batch. You can watch, you can attend the lecture live from your home, and I am going to teach this live batch from my home. So I am going to teach from my home and you are going to take the lecture from your home. So what will be the timing of this batch? Live batch timing will be the 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. Yes, you are correct. Timing is 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. means it is a good night batch. Basically, we call it good night batch. So after your office, after your dinner, you can attend this particular batch. Okay. So like 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. will be the timing, and suppose it is not possible for you to attend this live batch, then you can opt the Pendrive and Google Drive also. So this batch recording Pendrive and Google Drive will be available from the 25th July. So suppose if there is a net issue and you don't want to attend in the live 9 p.m. to 12 a.m., then you can go for the Google Drive or Pendrive. Okay. For live at home batch, there are some requirement. First is that lecture will be available on mobile or laptop. Guys, only laptop. You require only laptop, and that should be the Windows 10 laptop. So Windows 10 laptop only, that lecture is available only on the Windows 10 laptop. Second part, sir, what is the internet requirement? So internet requirement minimum 3G. 3G is required. Everyone is having 4G. So like minimum 3G required for the internet. And second thing, sir, what amount of data going to consume in 3 hours lecture? So it will be depends on the quality. Suppose if you are watching on the 360 or 420 or something like that, so that depends on the quality. Approx 500 MB to 1 GB data going to consume within 3 hours lecture. So total number of lecture will be the 60 lectures. So in 60 lecture we are going to cover whole DT, that is paper number 7, including international taxation of paper number 7. So paper number 7, 60 lecture, 3 hours, total will be the 180 hours. In 180 hours we are going to complete the subject. Okay. Now next part is next doubt. Many students having some doubt. Suppose sir, we miss some lecture. Suppose there is a net issue at our home, or suppose one day we tired and we want to sleep early. We don't want to attend the lecture 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. So sir, is any backup facilities available or not? Answer is yes. We are going to provide you the 10 lecture in the backup. 10 lecture you can watch anytime. Anytime your convenient, 10 lecture will be backup. It will be approx 15% lecture, because 9 lecture comes to the 15%, but we are going to provide you the 10 lecture in the backup. So suppose if you miss any lecture, you can attend in the backup. What is the benefit of this batch? Obviously, there are two benefits. First benefit is discipline, because you know that in Pendrive, suppose if you purchase the 60 lecture Pendrive, then you will take approx like 80 to 90 days to complete that Pendrive. But when it comes to the batch, obviously you have to attend on that particular time. So discipline will be there. And second part, two-way communication. There will be a chat option. You can ask any doubt and I will reply your doubt. So there will be a two-way communication. That is the benefit of this particular batch. So guys, see you on the 14th July. Now, if you want to register for this particular batch, you can register at bhavarborana.com, as well as you can register at Provise website. And for Google Drive and Pendrive, you can opt from the bhavarborana.com. So thanks a lot, people. Thanks all South India student. And we are going to meet on the 14th July and see you on the 14th July. Thanks a lot.